I'm going to discuss about how to fix Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So here first let's go on this Python Google and write there Python. Then you need to search or click there. Then after go to download. Here you can download this version of the Python. It's downloading. That's done here. Click on this executable file. Then you can see here. This is the installation, this is the customize. So you need to check this add Python path. Okay, so path must be checked. And after that, let's click on this install now. So this is installing the Python. So this done here. After that, when I open the command prompt, write there Python. So you can get here Python detail, Python version there.